Okay. Go, Jamie.
祝你
生日快乐。
Ready go， 祝你生日快乐。
祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。
Đi nha, chúc đi sinh nhật 快乐，愿你日子如何，立用也如何。
Diku, thank you so much for your support with my medical situation right now, and happy birthday to you and your family.
Thank you so much. Happy birthday.
Wanna sing again？ 祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐，祝你生日快乐。Happy birthday， 弟兄！
Happy birthday， 弟兄！
真欢喜，真搁再有机会人和你的生日，对你真欢喜。每摆想到你，我会想到圣经真侪则形容你的。我今仔要读两个所在，sorry， 我就用国语交英文，我无法通用闽南话。OK， 头一个所在是诗篇127篇。第3到第5节，儿女是耶和华所赐的产业，腹中的胎儿是他的赏赐。年轻时所生的儿女，好像勇士手中的剑，剑袋装满了剑的人是有福的。他们在城门口和仇敌说话的时候，必不至于羞愧。Psalm 127 verses 3 to 5. Children are a heritage from the Lord, offspring a reward from Him. Like arrows in the hands of a warrior are children born in one's youth. Blessed is the man whose quiver is full of them. They will not be put to shame when they contend with their opponents in court. 這個是形容你的呢哈。然後詩篇128篇也是形容你。敬畏耶和华，遵行他的道的人是有福的。你必吃你亲手劳碌得来的，你必享福，事事顺利。你的妻子在你的内室，好像多结果子的葡萄树；你的儿女环绕着你的桌子，好像甘蓝树的枝条。看哪，敬畏耶和华的人必这样蒙福。Psalm 128. Blessed are all who fear the Lord, who walk in obedience to Him. You will eat the fruit of your labor. Blessings and prosperity will be yours. Your wife will be like a fruitful vine within your house. Your children will be like olive shoots around your table. Yes, this will be the blessing for the man who fears the Lord. 你看，因為你敬畏耶和華，所以你得到真多福氣。Okay? Happy birthday! Okay.
Happy birthday!
God bless you. Bye.
Hi, Tigran here.
Hello, Gigi.
Oh,
What a milestone, celebrating 90th birthday today. Wish you lots of happiness and good fortune.
yes, and so many amazing experiences and precious memories. Have a good day today, 90th birthday.
Yes, the 90th.
Yes, and good luck,
Yeah.
good health. God bless you.
God bless you too.
Okay.
Okay.
Enjoy your day
Yes, enjoy your day.
and many more years to come.
Oh yes, many more to come. Yeah.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Love you.
Hi, Diku.
Hi Diku, happy birthday! We hope you're having a wonderful celebration with family and friends.
May God bless you with good health and happiness always. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hi, it's you, Brian here. Happy 90th birthday. Wishing you good health and happiness. Take care.
Happy 90th birthday, Diku. Sinte Kian Kong. God bless you.
生日快乐，一地公！
Happy birthday, Tikong!
Happy birthday, Ityu Gong. Have a good day today.
Hi Ityu, happy birthday, happy 90th.
Hello, happy birthday, Uncle TJ.
Hi Ityu Kong, happy 90th. Take care.
Have a fantastic
Happy
day.
birthday.
Bye.
Happy 90th birthday, Ityu.
Wishing you good health.
Hi Deepak, happy 90th birthday.
祝Ityu生日快乐，
身体健康，
主内蒙恩。
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Wishing you good health, happiness, joy, all that stuff. Your turn.
Happy birthday, Diku. Hope you have a great celebration and many more to come. Bye.
Happy 90th birthday.
Sorry, meet Uncle TJ.
Hello. Happy 90th birthday, Kwekong. We're so happy to be in part of this video, and we're also so excited that you're celebrating your 90th birthday. Want to wish you good health, happiness, and peace, and also really blessed that you have a very loving family. And every time we visit, it's always such a fun time to talk with you, and also hopefully this year, or maybe second half of this year, we will come visit and I'll introduce someone special to you as well. Yeah.
Hello, Uncle. Okay. Happy birthday ko. And I pray that God really give you a healthy body, mind, and spirit. Give you that peace that transcends all understanding. May God always be your refuge and strength as He is all these years. And each day, you're counting your blessings, naming them one by one, just like the song. Thank you, Kwepeko, for all your generosity, your kindness, thoughtfulness, and love, and prayers for us. Thank you for always believing in Oliver and treating him like your own son and supporting us with love even when we are far away. So God's grace abound in your life and continue to shine for Jesus. We love you.
Uncle DJ happy birthday 啊！我 recall 過我應該是 grade 5個畢業門啦，and 迄陣年輕年時陣個 high school 個常常是去Uncle DJ 甲 Auntie Sally 出來個，所以嗱咧幾年嘅追個好，搬出嚟無咧慶祝嘅啦，所以我常常是去Uncle DJ 嘅出嚟個遐慶祝個，我回聲記落個。無人 invite 都也得啦，是我家己去咁也得咧。就 anyway， 其實多謝恁個係常常啲啊幫 accept 我個人。我記得個迄陣我去讀成日嘅時陣個，去 seminar 裡讀冊嘅時陣，我去香港嘅時陣哦，Uncle DJ 有送我一本冊啦，過嚟話個，at the same time 個裡面有一個 envelope 個有拍緊馬咩嚟啦。Uncle DJ 其實係個常常啲啊鼓勵我，常常啲啊支持我個。我係記得當我咩叫 Grace 結婚嘅時陣個，迄陣我是要有決定要拜Uncle DJ 叫Auntie Sally 做快爸快母個。我媽媽講我叫我到加拜啦，拜模模糊糊安尼哦，原來是真好啦你嗬。但是迄種我係決定就是我唔拜嚇，因為我做傳道人個，我無愛真濟快爸快母啦。即個因為唔是看我大漢啦，拜伊也是無意思啦。所以我講我只能一對快爸快母人啦，就像叫DJ叫Auntie Sally個，Uncle DJ 唔是真濟話啦，但是伊用伊嘅行動表達伊嘅關心。迄陣我做傳道人嘅時陣個，伊也推阮查某囝話即個 college scholarship 個，當我拄到困難時陣個，伊哋啊理解我個，哋啊鼓勵我，哋啊支持我，當我去到香港時陣伊也跳工來到香港，跳工來看起來所在，嚟甲阮講話來支持阮，也關心阮個，所以經常我有一個想法啦，朋友個唔免 真多啦。只有几个好朋友几个好朋友已經9日啦。上款uncle auntie快爸快母也無去唔做啊。有一對真像你安尼係已經9日啦。所以我要用民數記所講嘅話來祝福願耶和華所予恁保護恁，願耶和華可以面光照恁，賜恩予恁，願耶和華讓你永遠賜恁平安，願恁身體健康，平安喜樂。Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy
Happy
birthday,
birthday,
Uncle.
Pa! It's a blessing to celebrate your 90th birthday, healthy and strong.
Thank you for loving us. Thank you for your legacy of putting family first, of loving God, and of your generosity to others.
We can't wait to celebrate with you today. We love
We love you.
Happy
Happy birthday,
birthday,
Uncle.
Thank you for welcoming me to your family, and I'm always excited to visit you because you're so fun to be with.
Hope you enjoy your birthday and all your birthday wishes come true.
Siyempre, Koila!
Hi, Pa. I just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you to you for a lot of things, especially for 3 things that start with the letter F. So, thank you for teaching us the value of family, faith in God, and forging on even when life seems tough and challenging. Thank you for encouraging me during my lowest moments, and thank you for being a pillar of strength for our family, and not just our family but for our entire clan. I wish you many more happy and healthy birthdays to come, and happy 90th, Pa.
Happy 90th birthday, Pa. The Lord has truly been your shepherd all the days of your life. He has led you through green pastures and quiet waters, and even through the valleys. He has never left your side. For 90 years, God's goodness and mercy have followed you, and through you, our family has been blessed with love, wisdom, strength, and faith. You have shown us what it means to trust God and to love wholeheartedly. We thank God for your life and for the legacy you have built. May you feel the shepherd's peace all the days of your life. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Angkong! Happy 90th birthday, Angkong. You know, the world is blessed to have 90 years with you, and I think God is saying the world is a better place with you in it, and that's why He's given you 90 years for you to be able to give so much blessing to the rest of the world. So, Angkong, hopefully you continue to bless us with all the wisdom that comes with the experience, with the decades that you've had. And Angkong, I know you always talk about the legacies that you want to give us as a family. But for your 90th birthday, I just want to thank you especially for this one. I think it's a legacy of love. Angkong, you walk as a living legacy, as a living example of love. One, especially to the love of others. I think everyone knows how generous you are, Angkong, and how much you really show care to those around you. I think when you walk around and with you and people meet you along the street, they really do approach you, and they're so warm and friendly. And I think it's because they know how much love that you've expressed to them, and they want to express it back. And I think that's something that I really look up to. I think the second thing that why you are an example of love, Angkong, is because you love the Lord so much. I don't remember anything that you say that you do without expressing it back at how the Lord has blessed you, and that's why you can bless others. Love of the Lord just comes as second nature to you. So I think that's something that really inspires me, and that's a legacy that you have given me as well. And last, Angkong, I think love of family is something that you also really are an example of. I think all the time I tell people around me about how I'm so blessed to be part of this family. And I think it all stems from how you've raised all of us with an intentionality for family that really it really makes us want to share that with the people, with our family members as well, that we want to be able to love each other deeper and deeper. So thank you very much, Angkong. I think those are the legacies that I really, truly appreciate.
Hi, Angkong. Happy 90th birthday. It's amazing to think that when I was born, you were already 66. Yet growing up, we never felt your age. You were always active, working, traveling, and exercising. Thank you also for constantly challenging us mentally through puzzles and games growing up, even when it interrupted our playing time. I believe that because of this, we were able to develop critical thinking skills which help us to today. Because of you, we were inspired to strive and do well in our careers, not because of pressure, but because of your encouragement. Thank you as well for making our family gatherings meaningful. We didn't just eat, we shared our lives, experiences, and blessings with one another. Those moments helped us build genuine relationships. Thank you for leading our family so well and raising us in a Christian fold. Through your example and love for God, all 21 of us now serve in the church in our own ways. In med school, we're taught to be open-minded and never stop learning. And I don't have to look far for a role model. You're always eager to learn, always reading, and always growing. I hope to carry that same spirit with me through life. Love you, Angkong.
Happy birthday, Angkong. I hope this year brings you all the joy and love that you've given to our family. Thank you for always being there for us with your kindness and warmth. You've given me and all your grandchildren an endless amount of happy memories because of your love and care for us. I really hope to be able to carry these family values into the future as well. As I and all of us grow older, we've realized how much of a blessing it truly is to have a family like ours. It's something rare and special, and I'll cherish it for the rest of my life.
Thank you, Angkong. We love you.
Happy birthday, Angkong. Happy birthday, Pa. 90 years old is an amazing feat. We are so grateful that you are healthy and still very active. And we are inspiring to become like you then, that at 90 years old, yako jangsin, yako walking, yako litsut kok pa, and yako litsut siyang di pa. Thank you for teaching me so many life lessons na until now I'm realizing na go from you, like serving, loving God, being humble, and how to do business then, how to negotiate with people, how to be a good middleman and be responsible. Thank you, Papa. Happy birthday. We are always praying for you and Mama na always you're healthy, you're strong.
And thank you. That's all. Happy birthday again. Next.
Hi, Pa. Happy birthday again. Thank you for being such a good father-in-law. And from you, because si Bernte, Fredin, admire you also for your love for God. I remember ko always, ikaw din kaya, always kwata di atak, kilay le libo. And I want to be like that also. Like you, Tintak, kilay tao si ham to see. Read God's word, spend time with God. Thank you also for leaving a good legacies, like make sure na quick uhat ng key vacation. That's very precious memories, memorable moments that we create there. Thank you, Pa. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Angkong. Happy birthday. Can really feel your love really for your family, for us. Parang my memories, like as far as as far back as it can go. Like I always remember you would always take us out to out of country to travel, to eat together at Sundays, go to your house, and yeah, we get to enjoy our relationship with our cousins, with the uncles and aunties, and also with most importantly our grandparents. I think it's one of the most special things also about the Ong family. We be very close, even like throughout generations. So really feel your love, your intentionality also to make us talk to each other, like be real with each other, like with your New Year's and Christmas. We are always sharing like our hearts together, and we always start it. So yeah, really feel your love for all of us. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Uncle. Because of you, I think it's because of you that our family is so close. And when I think of what love means, I always think of our family first. It's because of how you prioritize us and you wanted us to enjoy each other. That's why we love each other and care about each other so much. We have so many memories. I really appreciate how you're a very personal uncle who has so much time with us. And I think that's very special, that's what we have. And that's because who you are, your love for God and your love for family. So I'm really happy that to have you as uncle. Happy birthday!
My turn. Happy birthday, Uncle. You are 90 already. It's very, very long. Almost 100 na. Through your life, we really get to see, you always tell us that God is good and God is faithful. And you are a living proof of God. So we thank you for that legacy you left for our family. And we always enjoy our time with you and your cuento and your stories and how you make our family connect. We look forward to more of those moments or more random lunch invites and the dinner together. Thank you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
End video.
Angkong, happy 90th birthday. If there's one thing I would like to say, it's that I'm thankful for the times I got to spend with you personally. Yeah, I have many fond memories of us, like the time we went to the Lubcon visit, or the time we went with Ama to Cebu, or our SM North date. Yeah, thank you for encouraging me also on my journey in life, and especially when I was looking for work and when I started work. It's a big blessing to be able to have you, Angkong, in my life involved personally. Yeah, and not many people can say that, so I'm glad na we got to have that, Angkong. Yeah, and you're someone who highly prioritizes time together as family, and I'm really happy for that. So your legacy is our love for one another. And you have blessed so many other people, Uncle. God used all your struggles and all your success for good. He knows best. Yeah, so happy 90th birthday. May God continue to give you more days with His strength, His peace, and His love. Happy birthday.
Happy 90th birthday, Uncle. Thank you for always taking care of us.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Cheers! You know.
getting pissed off. Kiss, no way. Oh, kiss. I want to kiss Wasi. Oh, you are Papa.